In Queensland, Australia, the conversion of large areas of forest land into agricultural land is common. The method of cleaning the premises with chains and bulldozers gives amazing results. Join us to discover its power through the following video. Australia is home to the most unique and magnificent nature in the world. The country has vast savannas and grasslands, tropical rainforests, and flowering eucalyptus forests. According to recent statistics, Queensland forests have an area of up to 50 million hectares. To clear such large areas of forest, one of the most effective ways is the method of using giant chains. By having the chain attached to the bulldozer, the chain is then dragged across the ground, ripping and uprooting shrubs and other vegetation in its path. This is a mechanical clearance method which offers many great benefits. First, this method helps clean areas with dense vegetation, such as overgrown forests or fields, easily because of the very long chain. At the same time, the giantness of the chain helps increase its strength, dislodging large tree stumps quickly. The second benefit is that it is relatively safe for machine operators. Instead of bulldozers pushing down trees, it can be unlucky for trees to fall in the wrong direction onto machines or people. This method minimizes that, because the tree will fall by the impact chain, quite a distance from the bulldozer and the operator. A final benefit is that this method is very environmentally friendly, as it does not use fire or any chemicals. Although this method brings many benefits, safety measures should still be used to avoid unwanted risks. In addition to this chain pulling bulldozer method, other powerful machines are also used to coordinate the clearing of the forest. With a weight of up to 6.5 tons, the SD105050 offset disc harrow combined with the John Deere 8430 tractor is a powerful combination. This ability allows the machine to not only destroy the front plants easily but also effectively till the soil behind it. When operating, the machine creates a beautiful clean soil surface, making the soil cleaning process faster and more effective than ever. The Caterpillar D4D44H bulldozer combined with a giant disc harrow creates unrivaled power in cleaning and treating soil. When these two devices work together, they create a powerful soil breaking and loosening ability, while also creating a clean and flat soil surface. With a capacity of up to 450 horsepower, the Raptor 500 Mulcher is truly a powerful machine. Its ability to eat everything it comes across is undeniable. Leveraging the power of a powerful motor, this machine makes the soil cleaning process easier than ever. Belonging to the top powerful bulldozers, the Caterpillar bulldozer brings great efficiency, easily pushing down remaining trees. With just one push, large trees fell to the ground. Proves that choosing this bulldozer line for the project is an accurate and completely reliable decision. I am very impressed with this giant harrow disc because of its incredible power. Designed with many sharp teeth, it is capable of destroying everything in its path when pulled by a bulldozer. This makes it a popular device in this forest leveling project. Once the forest surface has been cleared, everything is ready for the next project. This cultivator with two sharp gears helps loosen the soil and creates holes quickly and evenly for planting plants. Bracket P11A is also a perfect choice. It can perform all regeneration work from tilling soil to planting trees with a single machine. P11A offers the highest quality reproduction with the greatest possible consideration for environmental and ecological aspects. This tree planting machine is popular because of its ability to place trees in holes extremely accurately. It helps reduce human effort while saving costs and bringing high efficiency to work. You're watching an incredibly impressive site. Land clearance in South Texas with two D8 bulldozers pulling chains and working vigorously and efficiently. The power of these two bulldozers, combined with the performance of the chain, helps quickly level the forest and flatten the land, preparing for major construction projects in the area. These two bulldozers are tearing up the whole forest. They drag chains up to 15 meters long and weighing up to several tons on the ground. With this powerful combination, it creates a huge destructive force, effectively destroying and eliminating eucalyptus trees in its path. You are witnessing the impressive performance of the CAT D7 and D8 dozers, working with chains in a rural area in Australia. With a flexible coordination of the dozer head and chain, they drag the chain wherever they go, tearing and uprooting bushes and quickly clearing the entire forest. I was surprised to learn that one of the most effective ways to clear dense forest land is long chain attached to a bulldozer.
The land. A tragic and short-sighted destruction.
The chain is then dragged across the ground, ripping and uprooting shrubs and other vegetation in its path. Watch the powerful Caterpillar D6 and D7 bulldozers in action. as they clear their way through dense trees and pull giant anchor chains across the rugged terrain of the Australian outback. If you're a fan of videos about bulldozers and heavy equipment, this is a must-watch. He was clearing a diseased tree with a small bulldozer. After circling around to soften the soil around the tree collapsed with just one blow. When they need to remove a large tree without an excavator, tree pusher or tilt blade, this is how they do it. Even a bulldozer this big can only push trees to a certain size. After that, they need to dig around them to break the roots. Then they can knock the tree down. The Vermeer SC1052 is meticulously designed to effectively grind tree stumps, with an impressive capacity of 115 horsepower. Not only does it ensure high levels of productivity, but it also stands out for its durability and advanced features, making it the right choice for effective tree stump removal. In Sweden, the Tiger Cat 1075C is a delivery vehicle capable of transporting loads up to 20 tons, mainly for the wood industry. It is designed for high performance in harsh off-road conditions. The Kern HE 93.1 logger is operating in the picturesque landscapes of Switzerland. With a 6.1 six-cylinder Ditz engine, it boasts impressive logging speeds, handling about 80 to 100 cubic meters of wood per hour. This is a testament to the development of modern forestry technology and the Swiss logging industry. The logger, which is a powerful 258 horsepower engine and a substantial 16-ton capacity, is a force to be reckoned with in the logging industry. With a powerful combination of strength and power, it harvests wood efficiently, demonstrating an impressive balance between durability and precision. John Deere cutting and logging machine with an impressive cutting capacity of around 30 cubic meters per hour easily processes many different types of wood, making it an essential asset in forestry operations.
We really are looking at forestry and our business.
This is a scene of a tree cutting in Western Oregon. Look at this giant machine, cutting trees as gently as pulling up weeds. Next is a modern wood chipping machine. The DW3060 cutter is usually equipped with a crane system to automatically load material into the chopping area. Indeed, the power of the wood chipper makes the entire forest become like shreds easily. With a capacity of more than 300 horsepower, the Ponce Ergo tree harvester seems to dominate the forest. With tremendous power, it helps harvest and process wood effectively and quickly. The John Deere Harvester 1270G tree harvester emerged in the forestry industry, with the ability to cut trees up to more than 40 centimeters accurately and efficiently. The TMK 300 harvesting head with a rotating rotary tool is a great innovation, giving the tree cutter more flexibility and precision in positioning and cutting trees. Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.